Okay, we are about to unbox the Epson Expression Premium Ecotank 7750. Now, the main reason why we got this printer, it's number one, Ecotank, meaning it has up to 2 years of ink. So no replacing ink cartridges for a while. So that's your manual. It comes with a CD and some instructions. Okay. Okay. And the other reason is oh, here comes the ink. Let's see. So this is supposed to have like 5 sets of ink, not your usual 4 set, which is CMYK. So it should have, yeah, so it comes with the yellow, cyan, and we got 2 sets of black. Looks like it's large. Magenta. And wow, more ink. More black, and what is this?
Hey, this got to be the same thing that's going into that one.
And magenta.
Hey, this got to be the same thing going there.
Yeah, we're gonna see because
It got to be.
sometimes the magenta have.
It got to be the same ink that's going in there.
Yeah.
Let's see.
It was an Epson, so.
Let's say 512. Let's see.
Okay. Because we have a couple of Ecotank printers here, and I'll show you.
502.
This is Ecotank.
That's 502.
Also, but it's for this Ecotank, which is 3750. But we didn't put any Epson ink on this. We actually have sublimation on that one. Sublimation ink. Okay, let's continue the unboxing. So it has power cord, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna need to get a USB.
It says it's cordless.
Huh?
Oh, you need a USB?
Yeah, because they don't
I mean,
include the USBs anymore for the printers. Oh, so one of the main reasons why we got this printer is its ability to print on oversized paper, which is 11 by 17. Here it is.
and you said 13 or 19, didn't you?
And we got it for how much? 800 bucks? Something like that. Have the link in the description where we purchased it. So now we already have 11 by 17 ink cartridge printer, but it doesn't have the Ecotank, and we love the Ecotank. We really do. When you have a big job that we're doing right now, which is like 100 shirts, you don't want to have to worry about getting extra cartridges or replacing them in the middle of a job, middle of a print job. So what he's doing right now, he's just pulling the, what do you call this, secure tape?
So it won't bounce around in mobility when it's being mobile.
So it looks like it has a scanner, of course. And what else can you do with this thing? Because
Yeah, it looks like you can do CD.
oh yeah, I think it did say it has the CD capability.
Yeah,
this is
like,
the CD.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be.
Oh,
Yeah, that's a flat baby. Crazy.
Yes,
Oh my
that
goodness.
is a man. What?
So he's removing some more of these blue tapes, and there's another one right there.
Wow, this is that old. Okay.
Yeah. Remember?
Our system.
Yeah.
Like that,
We have come a long way.
Our first Epson.
Okay. So there's more blue tape.
Oh, it's tape on it. From this way.
Oh wow, there's another one. What is that, diffuser or something?
No, this way the paper probably come out
Oh,
of.
okay. Like large paper.
Let's see what we got here.
Before we do, you can't bring this down. Okay.
It's probably where the paper come out. And it's got it open. Must be open. This must be.
Yeah, open it. That should be able to come out all the way. Yeah. Okay, put it back in.
Okay.
So there's the power plug, and where's the USB thing? It must be on the other side. There it is. Network and USB plug. Okay. Can we turn it around? Let me see it some more. Now this is actually our fourth wide format Epson printer.
Okay, so you one box.
So it has a SD and it's Wi-Fi capability. It has a USB port right here.
Here's where the ink goes in.
Yeah, and this is where the ink, and he's gonna fill it up, and I will show you guys how he does that. So it doesn't have no ink right now. No, it doesn't. So we're gonna fill them in.
And what the PB is, we got black. Is another black?
Sometimes it has what they call photo black.
Oh,
So
photo
that might be what it is. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it does have 5
Yeah, that's a 512.
containers for, you know, as opposed to your 4. So let me show you guys the other Epson printers we have here. So here's the other Epson printer we have, the one I was showing you earlier. This one is 3750 Wi-Fi. And I have another one here.
What is this here? Look, you got something here.
Hold on. And this one is the
It's got a chip on it.
4750, which we use for regular printing and faxing and stuff. And then this was
What is this with the chip?
the other one that prints 11 by 17 also now. And this one is the Workforce 7620. So,
A chip read, a chip or something here.
oh,
What's this?
okay, so we'll be back and we're gonna read some of these manuals and see what we're supposed to do with these. Okay, so
this
we're
is
following this instruction right here.
Cyan.
It says open the box, take out the ink cartridges, put the ink cartridges, and turn the power on. So he has he's adding the cyan.
Where's the other instructions? Because last time we did it, we filled it up, and then when we cut it on, some ink went through the system, and then there was some remaining in the cup, and they said go ahead and put the remaining in.
Okay. As you can see, it's filling up quite nicely. So it takes about maybe 30 seconds or less to do each cartridge. So there was black left.
Yes, see the black
so
in there? You got some in there.
There's still some more in the black. Okay, so we're gonna fill up the rest of the cartridges and we'll be right back.